Hi everyone. Let's see some of the important journal characters of class Chondrichthyes today. Well, let me tell you about class Chondrichthyes. They are also known as cartilaginous fishes. Why? Because endoskeleton of these fishes is made of cartilage. Let's see some of the important characters. Let's see their body form. Well, their body is streamlined. Its streamlined body helps them in swimming properly. They can swim with the help of this streamlined body in waters, and they are mostly marine. They mostly live in the open oceans, in marine waters. What about their endoskeleton? The fishes of this class actually bear cartilaginous endoskeleton, and because of this only they are known as cartilaginous fishes. They are also cold-blooded, or that's also known as poikilothermous or ectothermic. That means these fishes actually cannot, you can say, maintain temperature of their body. They means body temperature will be similar like the temperature which is present in their outer atmosphere where they are actually living. Until now, we have seen 600 species of cartilaginous fishes. What about their skin? Well, their skin is tough that contains minute placoid scales. You can see here in the diagram that placoid scales are present in them. These placoid scales are, you can say, they are having a dermal origin. Gills are present in them. Gills are five pairs, means five pairs of gills are present in cartilaginous fishes. Except to chimeras, the gills are not covered by any operculum. That means only in chimeras gill cover or operculum is present, and in rest fishes gill covers are not present. What about their mouth? Well, jaws are well developed in them, and you can see their mouth is also ventrally placed on the ventral side of their body. Their mouth is present. uh, these chondrichthyes have one value that is known as scroll value. Well, this scroll value is usually present in the intestine of chondrichthyes. Their digestive tract is also that, you can say their digestive tract ends into the cloaca. But let me tell you about this scroll value or spiral value that is present inside this small intestine. It actually helps in the digestion of food, and it also helps in the absorption of food in these we can say class chondrichthyes fishes. External nares are present on the ventral side of their head also. Internal nares are not present in them. Now let me tell you about the fins which are present in class chondrichthyes. Well, actually they have paired fins. Pectoral and pelvic fins are present, and these fins are broad. Now what about the caudal fin? The caudal fin is mostly heterocercal in these chondrichthyes. Heterocercal means it is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical means in this caudal fin there are two lobes, but these two lobes are unequal. And pelvic fin in male is also having claspers. Actually, one or two claspers are present in pelvic fin of male. I can tell you one thing, that if you had to differentiate between this chondrichthyes and there is other type of fish that's known as osteothes, you can use this point here. Like, what about their this caudal fin? If it is heterocircle, that means it is chondrichthyes fish. Okay, but if it's homocircle, then it's not chondrichthyes fish. Now, what about their heart? Heart is two chambered. They have one auricle and one ventricle present. And heart has well developed sinus venosus and conus arteriosus also present. There is well developed renal portal system also present. Their RBCs are oval and nucleated. Like we human beings, our RBCs are non-nucleated. Our RBCs are not nucleated. And their kidney is mesonephric, and the main nitrogenous waste which is present in them or which is produced in their body is urea. Now let's see about their brain. Well, the brain bears large olfactory lobe, and their cerebellum is also large. They have 12 pairs of cranial nerves also present, but we humans have 12 pairs. Lateral line system is well developed in them also. Function of this lateral line system is it is sensory system that allows fish to detect water motion and pressure gradient also, and it also plays an important role in schooling. It also helps them to orientate themselves in water currents. Now, what about lungs or air bladder? both lungs or air bladder are absent in these fishes. That's why they have to move continuously in the water. They have internal ears also, which help the fish to keep its balance. Nictating membrane in the eye of the fish of these chondrichthyes is well developed also. Well, some of you can say some of these chondrichthyes are having electric organs present. For example, we have torpedo, and some of them possess poison string. For example, sting. Sorry. For example, we have trigon, and they also have cloaca present. Just before I was telling you about the males. In males, pelvic fins may bear one or two claspers, which are used in copulation. The oviduct in cartilaginous fishes are called a Mullerian duct. Please remember this. Their oviduct is known as Mullerian duct. Fertilization is internal in them, and they are also oviparous or oviparous. Oviparous means eggs are hatched in the mother's genital tract, and direct the development is always direct in them. Some of the example of these class chondrichthyes fishes are scoridon is there, torpedo is there, trigon, chimaras, rhinobatus is there, zygina is there, great white shark is also there. Well, these were the important characteristic features of class chondrichthyes. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you very much, everyone.